Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get OKX UID. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, open up your OKX application and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this type of page. Here, make sure to click on the 6 dots on the top left of your screen, and you will see this type of interface. Here you will see many sections which have different options like shortcuts, manage assets, trade, and etc. But in order to get your UID, you just have to click on your profile on the top again, and you will be on your profile settings page. Here, make sure you are in the profile section, and if you look down you will see your UID, and then you can simply copy and use it for internal transfer from OKX to your OKX wallets. So that's basically how you can get OKX UID. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.